Hey guys, need a printed flight ticket from trip.com, whether for visa, airport checks, or just peace of mind? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download it. So guys, open the trip.com app or website and log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Go to bookings. So you just go to bookings right here. And after that, go to my trips. So as you can see, in my case, nothing is present because this is just a dummy account. Don't worry. After that, find your flights, then tap on more or manage booking. And then select get a receipt or view e-ticket. This will send the ticket to your registered email. And after that, it's very, very simple and straightforward. Open your email, download the PDF attachment, and then open it in your device. Make sure your printer is connected and hit print. You now have a physical copy of your flight tickets. And that's pretty much it. You've now got your trip.com ticket printed and ready. Hit like, subscribe, and check out more travel hacks right here on our channel. Thanks for watching.